Welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Trend Trader, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. These markets are extremely volatile, so please do your own research and trade responsibly. Alright, so here we got Bitcoin on the Kraken chart, and we're just going to take into account some moving averages and just do a quick little TA update. We just got our daily and weekly close, so let's go ahead and switch to the weekly time frame and take a look at what we have going on here. So we did lose the 10 a little while back here, and then we dropped straight through the 21, come all the way down and found support at the 50. We held support at the 50 and got our bounce back up to test the 21 in yellow and try and stop the 2110 from crossing negatively. But we sold off pretty violently, gave up about half that rally, and now we're stopped right here in the middle. The way this looks to me at the weekly is basically it looks bearish because we came down, found support, came back up and tried to break and find resistance. So now it's most likely that we'll come back down and test the support range. So I think 7,900's in the cards. If that fails, we're going down to about 7,100. And then let's switch over to the daily. And here's our daily. So basically we came down here, we broke through both 200s and found support at the 377. Couldn't get back above the 200, couldn't get back above the 10, finally got above the 10, and then we had all those moving averages here lined up right at that 8700 range, and we tried to punch up through it with a bunch of strength after consolidation, and we sold straight off, and we sold off so violently we came all the way back down below the 21 and then below the 10, and then we just closed below the 10 here again. So again, I gotta say what it looks like most likely to happen here is we're gonna come down and test the 377. So I think 7,800 is gonna be our next target at this point in time. That would take out the positive parabolic SAR at 8,100 and confirm that we're entering into a downtrend. And then from there, I mean, we could. It's tough to tell at this point in time, but I think most likely what we'll do is come down and test this support range right here at about 7,400. So I think the next target, let's say, is going to be 7,800, and then we'll see what happens from there, what kind of reaction we get. But it's likely that we bust straight through and come down closer to like 7,350. So there you have it, guys. That's Bitcoin Daily TA Crypto Trend Trader signing out.